Hey guys, do you want to see anyone's Patreon account for free? Well, Patreon's a paid subscription app, and I'm going to show you in this video how to get the Patreon mod. It's super strange, but it does work. So here's a post right here. It says the post is locked, I have to be a member. But as you can see, there's a third option in the payments called unlock for free using dev mode. So what this will do is it will make the person think I am a developer, and then I get free access. So I'm going to press continue, and it says activating dev mode, and as you can see, dev mode activated. So now we can see the post for free, and we can do this with any post. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device so you can have the Patreon mod. So what we need to do, guys, is go to the zoomods.com, and on this site, guys, we're going to go on search bar and type in Patreon, and as you can see, here it is. So let me just put it in so nothing else comes up. So press this green button and it will start to download the mod, guys. So now you can actually watch Patreon for free. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. This is the last step, and basically what you have to do is download 2 apps, and you need to follow the instructions on the app. It's 100% for free and from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. You can see it says missing files. So basically you need to download 2 of these apps and done the instructions on them. So like Family Island is a game here. It says reach level 11. So I would download it and do that. Then there's Travel Town. It says I got to reach level 9. We got some other ones in here, but there is a video if you're confused, but that's how to get the Patreon mod. So you can actually view all Patrons for free. Does not matter who they are, they will be bypassing the payment wall right here. So that is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you guys later. So if you're interested in watching Patreon for free, this is how to do it, guys. It's super cool and it totally works.